Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been quite a while since I filmed a video, and I wanted to make sure that the first video I filmed back would be this particular video because I keep getting so many DMs asking me what is going on, what I think about the hair. So we're gonna jump right into that. Before we jump in, I just want to show you guys two of the new rings that are coming to Sunday Energy. I'm wearing them right now and I'm just obsessed with them. This one is a star and this one is my little moon star ring. They're both adjustable, so you can like just adjust them. So you can play around with them depending on what finger you want to wear them on. I like to switch up where I wear my ring, so I really like these adjustable options. Both of the rings are available in gold and in silver. About 3 weeks ago now, I tried a new method of hair extensions. I know you guys, I hope you guys can see my hair okay. I know it's a little bit dark here, but there you guys, so you guys could see. But I'm a huge fan of hair extensions. For a long time I used clip-ins, then for the last couple of years I've been using tape-ins, which I really love. And then finally I wanted to try this new method because I was seeing so much of it online, and I just love hair extensions and I like trying different things so that I could see what works better for me and then I could share with you guys. So I tried the hand-tied hair extensions, and you guys, I am in love with this method. I actually vlogged the process. I went to the salon and I took you guys with me. So we're gonna insert those clips here and then I'll come back and I'll let you guys know what my experience is with this method of hair extensions. I'm on my way to the hair salon. My appointment's in 10 minutes. But it's okay, we're super close. I just stopped by to get some Starbucks coffee because I really needed it. I was out really late last night and I'm super tired. Today I'm gonna go try for the very first time hand-tied hair extensions. I've been wanting to try for a really long time, and finally I reached out to Judy, who's my hairstylist here in New Jersey. She's always done my tape-ins here, and I asked her if by any chance she did them, and she said yes. So sorry, there was like a piece of hair there. So for like the past month we've been talking about the hair and all this stuff, and finally I came this weekend and I stopped by the salon yesterday to take a look at the hair. It was a bit light, so she said she was gonna darken it up for me, and now I'm gonna go and get it installed. I did have my tape-ins removed. My hair is pretty long, however I just want a lot of volume, and that is why I use hair extensions, because my hair is just so damn fine. Really excited, and I wanted to bring you guys along because I remembered when I first tried tape-in extensions, I didn't know I was gonna love it as much as I did, and I feel like I mastered tape-ins. I know everything there is to know about them and how to take care of them to the best quality. And I've done a million videos for you guys on tape-in hair extensions. I will link some for you below. Like I'll link like the most in-depth video for you guys below on everything that you should know about tape-in extensions. And I kind of just want to try out a new method and see if I like it any better. That way I can come back to you guys, and because I get a lot of questions in my DMs about hair extensions. Like, you guys ask me very specific questions, like if I'm going on vacation for this, what kind of hair extensions do you think I should get, or if it's only for this or that. So I like trying different methods. That way I can tell you, okay, for this situation I would recommend you try these. And that's pretty much what I try to do with you guys when you ask me questions. But now I'm going to be trying something new. This way I will be able to tell you what I think is best for whatever your needs are. So I'm really excited. We are going to head to the salon now and get started. are done. All right, we are done installing all of the hair. It took about 3 hours to install everything, and this is the final look, you guys. I really like how the hair looks. I feel like it's a really perfect match. Like I told you guys, the hair was a little bit lighter and she did color it. I don't know what the exact hair color she ordered, and I don't know what they used to color the hair, but I did leave her with a piece of my hair extensions, so she was able to kind of match it. And I feel like this hair is a little bit lighter still than what I had before, but my own natural hair is looking pretty light because the balayage extensions that I had done when it was more blonde, they're peeking through, so it's kind of a really perfect match. And I really like how it looks at the moment because it kind of just looks like I have these natural highlights. Well, not natural, but it just kind of looks like I have highlights. I will list all of Judy's information down below. I came to J&Co Hair Salon in New Jersey, and Judy is the one that always does my hair extensions at the salon. She also gives the best blowouts at the salon. Let them know that I sent you, and if you're interested in tape-ins or another form of hair extensions, speak to Judy. She's amazing when it comes to hair. What I told her was that I really wanted volume. Like, I didn't care how tight or heavy it was gonna feel. That is not a problem for me. I can handle it. I just want the volume. So she ordered, I think she said 9 bundles. It was like, she said it was 3 packs of hair with 3 bundles in each pack, so it was 9 in total. I don't know what that means because I'm new to the whole Weft hair life. So as I learn more, I guess I will know more what that means. But we were able to install pretty much all of it. There was like a little bit of hair left that we didn't add on, but this is what it looks like. I still feel like I could do more hair. Like, this feels really light to me, so we'll see how. She told me like just see how I feel for the week. She also told me that I should take Advil because it's gonna feel pretty tight for the next few days, and then after a week it'll loosen up and it won't feel as tight. Okay, so like I said, I've had this hair for about 3 weeks now, and I have to say I really love the hand tied Weft hair extensions. So basically I have, I think, 3 rows. I have like 1 down here, 1 above that, and then I have 1 up here. So it's like they kind of just braid a thin part of your hair and then they sew in the wefts of the hair, and it is so comfortable, you guys. Let's start from the beginning because the very first day I felt so uncomfortable. Like, it felt super tight. When I finally went to bed, I could not sleep. I took an Advil because my head was hurting, and it just, you could feel the hair extensions. After the first day, I was good. It did not bother me at all. And I've heard people say different things. Some people say it takes them a couple of days for the pain to go away. Some people say it takes an entire week. After the first day, I was fine, but that very first night, it was uncomfortable sleeping. But again, after the first full week, I forget that I have the hair extensions. Like, obviously you could feel them, but I feel like I feel them a lot less than tape-ins, and they look a lot more natural than tape-ins. With tape-ins, I think for me, especially because I have fine hair, once they start growing down after a couple of weeks, you could kind of see the tape. So that's kind of annoying, but whatever, I just dealt with it. With this, everything is just concealed so much better. You can put your hair up and it'll be concealed. Like, you can do a lot more when you have hand-tied Weft extensions with your hair as opposed to when you have tape-ins. I still love tape-ins. I feel like with tape-ins I could really pack in the hair and like get a lot more volume. And I feel like tape-ins are a great method also, like if maybe you just want hair extensions for like a month. But if you want hair extensions that are gonna last longer, I say go with the hand-tied Wefts because, okay, so first of all, like I said, I've had them on for 3 weeks, and I feel like I could definitely get away with another 3 weeks. Usually with the tape-ins, I can only do about a month, and because my hair just grows so quickly that they start showing a lot and it gets hard to style it and conceal the hair extensions. But with these, you could definitely tell that you can go a lot longer without having to move them up or get them reinstalled. All right, so when it comes to moving them up, reinstalling them, I haven't done that yet because I don't need to, but basically there are 2 options depending on how long you go without going to the salon. If you don't wait that long, your stylist can literally just like move them up. I don't know what the method is because I haven't done it yet, but they literally just move them up and you're done within minutes. However, if you wait too long, my stylist was telling me she'd have to remove everything and start from scratch, which is not a big deal. It's still like fine, but I really like the option that if I don't wait too long, they can just push it up and I'm good to go. Like, I can be in and out of the salon. With tape-ins, you have to get every single piece removed, and then you have that tape residue, which I really hate. That's probably one of the things I hate the most about tape-ins is the residue when they're removing the tapes. I'm really excited that when I'm doing maintenance with these extensions, I don't have to have any weird tape residue. Like, it's just gonna be a really seamless process. The brand of hair that my stylist ordered for me is called Aqua. I had never heard about that hair before. I just told her to order whatever hair she thought because I didn't know anything about hand-tied weft hair extensions. I don't know where to order, so she ordered from a brand called Aqua. The hair is really great quality. Like, it's really nice and soft. It doesn't tangle at all, you guys. Like, with tape-ins, my hair would get super tangled whenever I would wash it, so I would have to make sure like that I would untangle it right away so that it wouldn't get matted. With these, I could let them air dry overnight, and it's the silkiest, softest hair ever, which is so nice and convenient for when I want to style my hair at home. However, I want the hair to be thicker. That's just my preference. I like a lot of volume. Like, I don't mind if my head feels heavy because I have so much hair. That doesn't bother me at all. So I definitely am going to be trying a different brand just because I want like super volume, and I want a lot more length. We went with the 18-inch, which is what I asked her to order for me, so that was on me because I don't know, in my head I thought that what I currently had was 18 inches, but I had 20 inches. And I know what you're thinking, it's just 2 inches, but I feel like it makes a difference for me. Like, 2 inches definitely made a difference. So I am going to be trying in the future a new hair brand when it comes to the wefts. In a couple of weeks, I'm going to be dyeing my hair darker, and I'm going to be ordering, I want to say 22 inches. Like, I just want something really dramatic because I feel like if it's too much, you can always cut it, but I just want to have a little dramatic moment. So for sure, I'm going to be doing that next time, and I'll let you guys know what hair brand I end up going with because I have two that I'm trying to decide between, and then I'll compare it and let you guys know what I think because the hair is pretty expensive. It can cost you around anywhere from $400 to $600. And it's expensive because it's going to last you. Like, it's not a hair that you're gonna throw out after 1 month. Like, this hair you'll be able to use for like up to a year, which is really great. So if you think about it, it's an investment if hair extension is something you do all the time like I do. So for me, I don't mind the price as long as I'm getting really great quality. I feel like I don't really have any tips when it comes to the wefts because they're just so easy. Like, this is definitely a much easier method than tape-ins when it comes to maintenance. You don't have to worry about the tapes coming apart or losing some pieces because the glue gets loose. Like your hair is just sewn in, so it just stays put. Basically, hand-tied wefts are my new obsession. They're my new favorite type of hair extensions. I'm definitely going to keep doing them because this method has been the best that I have found. All right guys, I'm going to end this video here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.